Another fancy feature Contractor Pro provides is the associate management. Associates are other contractors or business partners you work with. You can add them to your appointment, and the appointment will show up on their calendar too. You can get to the page by clicking Menu, Associate Management. First, let's add a new associate. This associate must have a registered account in Contractor Pro. If not, you will get an error message. In this case, please invite your associate to use our app first. Now let's add an associate who has registered already. Enter the person's email address. If you want the associate to be able to view financial data, such as bill amount and payment amount, then you can check this box. If you do not wish to disclose the financial information, leave it unchecked. This checkbox also allows associates to edit appointments. Finally, click Send Request button. This person's name is pending under the pending section. A request will be sent to the person's email address, and once this person approves the request, the name will be moved to active section. If for some reason the email is lost, you can hit the button here to resend the associate request. Okay, the request was approved, and you can see the name was moved to the active section. Clicking on any rows, you will be able to see all the jobs you and that partner have done together and the accompanying job details. Since we just added this associate, there are no jobs showing. You can edit the associate by clicking the button. The only thing that is editable is share financial data. If the partnership is no longer valid, you can cancel the partnership here, and the associate will move to the inactive section. If later the partnership resumes, you can click here to resend the partnership request. Likewise, if someone adds you as an associate, you will get an email and approve the request. This means you are helping him on this job. Then you will see this user's name in your affiliation tab. You can cancel the affiliation on your end too.